Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how non-residents can open a US bank account online. Let's get started. If you're not a US resident, opening a bank account is definitely possible, but there are a few additional requirements to keep in mind. As of 2025, most US banks typically ask for a Social Security number, SSN, or require you to visit a branch in person to complete the process. This means fully online account setup is somewhat limited for non-residents. To begin, head over to the bank's official website, choose the type of account you want, such as checking or savings, and click on the application option. During the application process, you'll be asked to provide documents like a valid passport, a US visa, if applicable, proof of a US address, and in some cases an ITIN instead of an SSN. You might also need to submit a second form of identification. Banks usually prefer a physical US address rather than a PO box. If you're staying in the US temporarily, you may need to provide additional documents such as a student visa, I-20 form, or a job offer letter. In many cases, a bank representative will contact you to verify your identity or request that you visit a branch to finalize everything. Even though the process isn't always fully online, opening a US bank account as a non-resident is still achievable with the right preparation and documents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.